Oh, bleh. Okay. Let's knock that down. Okay, I need to go over here real quick. I'm probably in the wrong profile, but you know what? That's okay. Wait, no. I am in the right profile. Let's see. We want... do we have Manjaro on here? No. What ISOs do I have in here? Do I have to download another one? Let's see. No. There's Olive. Mobian. Okay, let's go into... Guido. Yeah, it'll be that one. About the Gentoo Linux installation. Um... Anyone to install Gentoo if an active internet connection is available. Gentoo Linux environment contains all the tools to install. Can be downloaded from the downloads page. Stage 3 tarball is an active archive containing profile-specific minimal Gentoo environment suitable to continue the Gentoo installation using the instructions in this handbook. Da 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 da. Obtaining the media. Okay. We've got AMD 64. Hardened stage 3. Okay. We might go with the menu. I didn't want that one. Linux system, blah 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 blah. Very, very specific. Downloads page, that one. 431, dang it. Are we sure I don't have another ISO? Hardware. Ergonox. Skipping that for a second. Arcanum. Shellcooters. How do I not have anything. Okay. Installing the Gentoo installation files. Repairing the disks. Partition table, advanced storage. How many partitions and how big? Swap space, EFI. ButterFS. Manual network configuration, DHCP. See, Mental Outlaw did it from a Manjaro live CD, though. Okay, let's start from Gentoo Handbook. Okay, so yeah, we were in the... Okay. First of all, welcome into the world of choices and performance. About choices, installing may clear several. How the installation is structured. Let's see, internet's ready. Hard disks are initialized for the host. Installation environment is prepared and the user is ready to CH root into the new environment. Bleh. Okay. I don't want to get your minimal button, but okay, I'll get it. Cat. I wanted something a bit flashier, but that's okay. We'll work with it. Downloads pages. This is true. I've just got to get the stuff downloaded. I thought I had an ISO otherwise, but I didn't, so now I need to download it in order to install it. It's been a while though, Tex. Okay, I'm just hoping that the flash drive I plan on using as my victim works with me. Oh, nice. Twitch doesn't tell me who stops in, which is sad. And I haven't been using an IRC client in the last little bit, so makes sense. think I've got a number of people that have just been quieter too, so... Because as I look at the analytics, it's like, okay, I've had a few more people, it's just here and there. Oh. I'm gonna toss that over there. Got a slight background music. I need to work on my cable management too. I've got Restream actually sending it to YouTube as well. So it'll be saved on YouTube. Sadly, I'm not the first one to do a Gentoo install, but yeah, it's been a recent meme among, multiple Linux YouTubers, so... I know. On YouTube, I've been using anime girls in all my thumbnails. Well, in the ones that I can really think that they apply in. The oddest part is every time I look at my analytics, it's like 2 or 3 of the videos that I did on web browsers and different options instead of Chrome or Firefox have been doing better than even some of my more recent ones, which is odd. So I guess people are really looking for those, like, what's better than Chrome or Firefox web browsers? Okay, there's my HDMI. The one difference that most of the other Linux YouTubers have been doing it on, virtual machines, but I've got a spare laptop that I'm going to do it with instead. So I've just got to make sure I've got that set up. The Cam Link now makes it much easier to do that. This download's going decently quickly, which is nice. Come on, 31 to go. 30, okay. Okay. Then we go... That was... Oh, I didn't grab the name of it. Go into there. Minimal. Oh, come on. Where'd you download it to? I could probably reload, but I mean, you know. There we go. And we want to... Oh, it's right there. Is it a dead flash drive? I hope it's not dead. It looks dead. It's got nothing on it, which is worrying. Aren't you I've got the progress flag on here. What are you doing? I told you, show me progress. It works on all my SD cards. Are you really gonna do this to me? I don't think I liked that bit down. Okay. That works. Let's double check. Okay, it's got it. Looks like it's got it, at least. Strong cat, nasty thing. Okay. Let's see if I can do some magic here now. Which one did I put that on? No. That one? Yes. Are you gonna show me what I want? It's got nothing from the 8 capture card. That normal? I need you to show on the capture card, buddy. Otherwise, I'm gonna go to janky webcam, which I can still do. Okay, janky webcam it is. Let me take a second. Okay, put in there. Come on. I've got background music, so it shouldn't be that bad. Yay. This is not my first planned use for this, but it'll do. Let me actually pop up the desktop on there as a little, where are you? Screen capture. Okay. Okay. And we'll make that about half that small. And then we'll hide that one. Okay. You are gonna go in here. Okay. Let's pop that out again. Up. Let me make it a little bit more interesting. 1080p, bros. I had this working. I know I did. Don't ruin it for me. Come on, where are you at? Are you kidding me? Aperture priority mode. Oh, there. Boom! Like, where's it at? Ugh! Okay, I need you to click in. This is gonna be the jankiest thing ever. Look at that. Look at that. But we got the other one up here, so we're gonna take a look at the wiki. Okay, so we got in configuring the network. We need to if config. We've got some. Okay, I need to. Let's bump it back a little bit. Okay, so we if config, and then we what? Manual network. Wireless access. Okay, IW dev. ULP S0 info. Got nothing. What is this? I need to wipe that down a bit better. Stupid cat. Need to go link that dev up. Well, that was good. IW. And then dev blah 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 connect minus W. Okay, that away real quick. Come on, let's get it right. And then we add key. Blend. Do I need to quote that? Try quoting it. There we go, it worked. Let's clear the screen. So, blank. Okay, I need to get an alcohol wipe and wipe it off real quick before we continue. Where did I stick those? Need to wipe it off even more. Oh, back behind me. Okay. Let's give it a good wipe down with its crappy little screen, but it's still kind of... Cat was helping me make it smell good and marking it, but I don't need that kind of help. Alcohol, it's safe, I swear. Okay. Do that for later. Ah, that's a bit better angle for that. Yes. Let's double check. But yeah, we're connected. Ah! I'm stupid. Jeez. Okay. So, next. Repairing the disk. Okay, so we've got our sweet ones right there. We've just got a standard SATA. Partition tables. Do you have CF disk on here? CF disk. Yes, you do. So this is the easy part. So, I mean, really, this tool is really easy to use. So all we do, we've got a bunch of, come on, Apple partitions on this one. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and we're gonna go delete. Then we go delete, go delete, and then we go new, and we can go and bottom here, it asks you for the partition size. You can go 256 and add an M, so it'll like try and fill the whole thing and have a G right there for gigabytes. And then we go like that. It adds a whole new line to it for the table. Let's get rid of, drop that down over here just for measure right now. And then we can go, let's see, it says to add a swap. Go RAM size times 2. I've got 16 gigs of RAM in here, so we're just gonna go with 16 gigs. You know, I was really good to this thing. I got spare RAM otherwise. And then the rest of the disk, we can just slap Barino in there. Then we can go in and change the type, and it brings up that nice handy menu. That one we need to be a, yeah. Do I have EFI set up? I think. Where's my fatty one? Hello, VFAT. General parallel. EFI it is then. So type, swap, and then standard file system. And then we can go and we hit right there in the bottom. And it asks us to type out yes. And then it writes that whole partition table to the disk. And then we can just quit. So how many partitions would it swap? So I could do that with fdisk sufficiently enough. But I prefer CF disk because it's just like a nice little curses one that just thinks about it for me so I can stare at it just. Okay, so now applying a file, blah blah. Activating. Okay, yeah. Swap on. So it didn't clear the screen for us, so there it is. Swap on. Like this. Yeah, SDA 2. Okay, we're just, okay, MK, so looks like I have to do this manually anyway. mkfs.vfet minus f2, register the D key in there, thank you. I don't need my D's missing, okay? SDA1. mkfs.ext4 dev/sda3. No, wait, I wanted... Oh, yeah, I did it right. Gosh. Okay. Okay. mk wap dev/sda2. And then we go... Now we go swap on. And now it does it. Stupid thing. Once we get a more graphical thing in here and get it figured out, I think we'll be able to connect it up to the cam link and get that working. Did my music run out? No. It's still kinda there. It's just very, very quiet. Mounting the root partition, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. It has the Gentoo folder that it shows. Doesn't quite say it recommends it, but I'm gonna use the Gentoo folder like it says here. Like it has here. Okay. So let me mkdir /mount Gentoo boot, and then we're gonna mount boot SDA1 to boot so that we've got that there. Yeah, misconfigured clock can lead to strange results. Very, very odd one. And we've got a nice, look at that, misconfigured clock. It says it's like midnight. Well, no, it might be configured correctly. Let me think. I'm at -6. So it looks like it might be slightly off. Yeah, it's like ever so slightly off. I'm actually thinking of OpenRC rather than systemd. And I kind of want to try and do a different core utils than GNU. So yeah, because right now I'm running my main system on Artix with Runit, but right now the install handbook only has OpenRC currently, as far as I can tell. So actually, you mentioned that, and I'm actually currently using Pipewire on my Artix install with Runit, and it's really not a problem that I've had to deal with much, because, yeah. Unless there are like some other things with Artix that are really weird. QG. Here we go. NTPD minus Q minus G. Right? Yeah. I set it to ext4 just barely, so not ButterFS. Listen to that sweet, sweet. Okay. I like it hard, okay? Pure 64-bit. So it is my first time installing it, and it's kind of been like, I've been feeling like kind of wanting to install it and see what it's like. So, and I mean, depending on how things go, I mean, yeah. Somewhat too curiosity of how long it would take reasonably with some of the ways, because I've never really seen it myself and how it plays well, how it would install on my hardware, so. Yay. Are we still, like, doing that, really? Come on. Listening. I'm kind of sad that, like, the HDMI output didn't want to work. Up to stage 3? Okay. Actually, I had VGA out. Or did I have a VGA thing? Maybe. I probably could have used that. Dang. Let me go grab... See if I can grab that. Betcha I could make it work. Okay. Black screen. Gentoo. I had an VGA to HDMI thing here, around here somewhere. It disappeared on me. It's still fighting me with that one. Stuff, and I file it somewhere. Or okay. Well, the issue that I had is this laptop does have HDMI out. But when I plugged it into my cam link, it didn't want to output to the screen through HDMI. So that's why I've got the current janky setup. Well, with the webcam and junk. We will leave it off up by a few hours. I think it'll be fine. Looks like it's fine. So we want to go CD, mount. So we go into there. It's gonna bother me where I lost that at. Unless I lost it in there, but oh. Or more. Links. Colon, whack whack. Whack 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 whack. 2.org. Downloads. Mirrors. What? What do you mean, not found? Did we get disconnected? That's not cool. Let me said I was connected. Okay, let's try connecting to I work so hard. link set. I have blah blah blah. Set. Hey, it's got a little mouse cursor. 2S0. Why? The belligerent thing. The other option... I don't have any... Well, actually... I might be able to find something. Give me a second. I will be right back. Oh, wow. You could hear everything. So fortunately enough, I've got... So, it's fortunate and unfortunate all at the same time. But one of those network mesh nodes that... mesh access point, Wi-Fi access point things. So... Which one was that? That one right there. So that off real quick. So, is it gonna adjust the light levels at all? Oh, there it is. You can kind of halfway see it. So yeah, so I can just wire up into there and go from there. So now, let me go up to the wired one. Do the right one. DHCP. E. ENP 1S0. Okay. Let me double check IW dev WLPS P2S0. Not connected. Stupid. Anyway, that should... I can spell config. Okay, so yeah, Ethernet has a connection. Okay, let's try that again. Let me sift through all the commands that I tried putting in. Oh my goodness, look, it came up. Okay, so we go down. Cat, I'm a beat you. He left you in here. University of Utah, that's funny. Okay, so the mirrors, what do we want to do with that again? Boot media, stage archives. I think we'll just go with the search string not found. Where are we then? Oh wait, let's select a mirror to go to. Downloads. Oh, look at that! Okay, stage 3. I want... AMD 64. Open our stage 3, OpenRC, no multi-lib, blah blah blah. Save this. Okay. I navigated to the right directory, didn't I? I think I did. Oh, cats! I'm gonna beat him. Okay, so here's the deal, you two. You two need to get the heck out. Out you go. Bye-bye. Out. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I guess. Okay, AMD 64. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. Verifying and validating. Okay, so I am gonna be looking for that number to put in the thinger. Do I have to download anything else? Does not look like it. Gonna skip a very important step, but it'll be fine. X PVF 3. I did navigate to the correct directory. Atters. Stop moving, cursor. Minus include equals. Okay, so wrong key, come on. Merrick owner? Yeah. Okay. Just a second. Oh, that might be why. I can't spell too good. There it is. This is the exciting part. C flags, CXX flags. Look at that, all done. We go nano minus what? W. C portage make.con. Come on, get the C in there. Could probably use a better editor than Nano, but you know. Okay, so we've got common flags, include that one, that one, that one. So march native. Let's add that one in. March native. Minus O flag. Okay. Install base system, here we go. Download source code quickly is recommended to select a fast mirror. Mirror list. I minus O. Second importance. Okay. Oh, and then we're outputting that to Gentoo. Yes, that's where we're putting it. It's in Gentoo. Etsy or portage make.com. What do you mean? Oh, mirror select. Come on, this isn't. I want US, please. USA, USA. think I'm gonna pick the Utah one for some reason. Can't fathom why. One or more. Oh, yeah, we'll go with that one. And then change sync information. See Gentoo. No. Portage. No. Yeah. We don't have the repos.conf directory. If I can add a dot in instead of that. Okay, dir parents. And then we go CP. User pair portage config repos.conf to user pair. No. Let's see. Portage repos.conf gentoo.conf. Okay. Take a peek with the text editor by using cat. Okay. Yes, we've got it all there. Mostly. One thing still remains to be done before entering the new environment. That is copying over the DNS information. See resolve. This needs to be done to ensure that network still works even after entering the environment. Pass the dereference option. CP. Was it? Yeah. Dereference. Etsy/resolve.com to Etsy. How did I hit a... I'm really good at, like, just not doing the right thing, huh? Mounting necessary file systems. In a few minutes, Linux root will be changed towards the new location to make sure that the new environment works properly. Certain file systems be made available there as well. So mount types proc /proc Use mount Gentoo proc. This R bind. This mount Gentoo. This. And then we go make R slave. Oh no, they used the bad word. Then we go back up and we do that with dev. Then we run the slaving command again. Root mount Gentoo bin bash. Oh, okay. And then source / Etsy profile. Then export because we want to keep things nice in here and prove that we're gonna break everything, apparently, according to this. Change root. And that thing, S1. What? Okay, whatever. At this point, all actions performed are immediately on the new Gentoo. Blah, blah, blah. Of course, it's far from finished, which is why the installation still has some stuff to do. Let's put those in curly braces and see what happens. I did such a good job at this. Now we know it's a double CH root. Look at that. See? We CH rooted into our CH root to remind us that the CH root wasn't working right. Mounting the boot partition. Mount the How'd that happen? Installing a Gentoo eBuild repository snapshot from the web. Okay. Okay, next step is to install a snapshot of the Gentoo eBuild repo. Snapshots contain a collection of the files that informs Portage about available software titles, which provide the system administrator, which profiles the system administrator can select package or profile specific news items, etc. Use the eMerge WebRSync. It's recommended for those who are behind restrictive firewalls, blah blah. This will fetch the latest snapshot from one of Gentoo's mirrors and install it onto the system. Void web async. Okay, reading news items. And boy, I keep bumping that thing. Select news list. Interesting. So, read. No longer exists, no longer. Okay. Guess that's fine. Yeah. Deselect profile. Failed to get a list of... Let's go emerge minus my sync. Make sure I've got things up to date. Scroll. Most used. News.eselect. Let's double check that profile list once it... It might work out better once I get this updated, so we'll see. And, oh well, I may be crazy is all. Okay. Oh, what did you sign up for? Nothing. I'm just making screen scroll. TeamSpeak? What? Almost there. No profiles to list. You're gonna have to make more. TeamSpeak client. It'll be fine, they say. It won't hurt that much, they say. It'll only hurt a little bit, they say. Okay. I don't... AMD FX. I can't remember which one this processor is, but we'll see how well she do. They have open box in there. It's scrolling. It is scrolling. Ruby. Goodbye, Ruby. We knew thee well. Come on. That was going real fast. Do that. Yeah, do that again. Download quarantine. Yeah. Okay. A base. Ooh. Okay, it says that was okay. Oh, there we go. Return one news item for repository. Select news read. Read. Systemd temp files does not depend on systemd. Yeah, nice. Okay, very nice, yeah. I had to do a sync in order to get things to work, it looks like. So, if I go eSelect profile list. Look at that! Stable, C Linux, GNOME, systemd Plasma, no multilib. Muscle hardened. So harden. I think I'll leave it on the default for now. So let's go emerge, minus task. Verbose. Update. Deep. New use. At world. Okay, I need to take 2 seconds to turn the light on real quick, because it might help things see a bit better too. Oh wow, that did brighten it up a bit. Look at... I got me words. Come here. Okay. Would you like to merge these packages? Yes. Doing all the make checks. Oh boy. A said one? Really? In the use variable, uses define keywords which are mapped into the compile options. For instance, SSL will compile SSL support in the program that support it, and X will remove X server support. Will compile programs with GNOME and KDE support, making the system fully tweaked for GNOME. If the architecture supports it, the default use settings are placed in the make defaults file, the Gentoo profile. Easiest way to check the currently active use settings is to run emerge info and select the line that starts with use. Okay. Full description on the available use flags can be found on the system in bar. Inside the less command, scrolling can be done with the up and down, exiting, pressing Q. An example, we show a use setting for a KDE based system with the DVD also and CD recording support. Okay, that's cool. Configure accept license variable. The license variable in eBuild is only a guideline for the Gentoo developers and users. This is not a legal statement, and there is no guarantee that it will reflect reality, so don't rely on it, but check the package itself in depth, including all the files that you use. So you can accept free software, miscellaneous free, OSI approved, GPL, free documents, free, binary redistributable, and EULA. Hey, how's it going? We just making stuff scroll today. Screen go brrr. I'm sorry. I don't think I can change the Twitch ad situation, really, but haven't been running mid-roll ads, so I'm sorry I can't change the Twitch ad situation. I haven't run any mid-roll ads, but yeah, I don't think there's anywhere in the settings to change the Twitch setting. My day has been full of console commands and messing up network settings so far. And, I just got a ThinkPad X220 tablet in the mail. Well, it just arrived today, so I'm planning on putting Artix on that. And I'm still trying to figure out, what kind of window manager I want to put on it that will give me good, touch support. Script with base kernel? Interesting. Right, the time zone name and that's the time zone line. At the time zone fill. Gosh, I can speech. Good. I can't see what's going on here. Scrolling too fast. What a poser. Imagine using an install script the first time you install something. Actually, so first time I installed, first Arch-based distro I installed was actually Bridge Linux. I think it's since gone kind of like old and defunct, but it basically relied on the Arch repos, the standard Arch repos anyway, so it was basically a live CD with an installer pre-put together for you to install Arch. So that was my first time installing Arch, but I've pretty much done it like by hand since then, any time I've installed it, which has been like 2 or 3 times maybe. So well, and then yeah, so other than that, it's basically been installing Manjaro or Arch. So, but like I said, on the ThinkPad I want to put Artix on. So do the Artix meme. Replace GNU core utils with like maybe Heirloom or something else. Plan 9 actually, I believe they were saying, was getting more robust as well, and is very much standalone now as well. Keep scrolling. Just keep scrolling. Replaced, thank you. Alternatively, simply reboot your system. I like that. Nay, nay. Yeah, this is the world emerge. Would you post in here? Don't switch. Thank you. Oh, I've seen that one. I've seen that one. Copyrighted music. I mean, I've got royalty-free music, but I mean, I'm not brave enough to do that because, like, half the video... I've listened to some of it. Not gonna lie, there are some that... See, so there have been a couple videos that I've put very, very quiet background music into, and so I've gone through and listened to a bunch of it to see which one I wanted to put in, and kinda, I felt matched what I was going for, more or less. Yes, I know it's the YouTube cope. I've got one, what was it? I had recommended it to Brody when I was on his podcast. And basically this is one of the albums from the same people, but there's one called Black Flags that would basically, what was it? I guess it's more of a piratey themed one. I'm sorry, I'm using MPD, so I've got MPD in the background playing, and that's about it, so... Okay. No outdated packages are found on your system. We merged everything for you. Okay. Emerge, info, rip, Wow! That's nice. I've had MPD configured for a while, so yeah, that's kind of, it's really easy to be like, yeah, I like where I'm at. I just sometimes hit points where I'm kind of bored, and so like I pick something up and like I mess around with it and incorporate it into my work use. So see, the thing is, you can configure other window managers to work like i3WM. So just saying. Ah, la, la. LS. Fair. Phone info. Nice. America. America! America, Denver. So we echo America, Denver to, let's see, time zone. Let's get that right, please. Okay. And then we emerge. Big sys dash lib slash time zone data. Yay! Okay. Locale. We got nano installed in here, so we're gonna do that because, well, gay. But anyway, let's spell locale right. .gen. Well, that's boring. Let's do something exciting with this. Yes. Yes, so 8859 minus 1. And us dot atf it atf what did we post in here? No. X, yes. Export. And then we go locale gen, because we can. Really? Adding locales to Argger. Select locale list. Locale set 6. Dot Etsy profile. What did I do? Okay. Yeah, I haven't messed with... Really? I know NewPipe got around the age-restricted stuff. I think they put a fix in that recently, because I updated it, like, yesterday. So... I would think that YouTube DL would figure out a way around it in just a little bit, so... And update... Come on, source. Let's see, profile. Explore. Do I really care? Okay. Don't be gone too long. Those are curly braces, aren't they? Yeah, they are. I was just stupid last time. ES1 equals... root. Windpipe ES1. Yay! I'm good at this, I promise. Okay, full localization guide to provide additional guidance. Okay, installing sources, core around which all distributions are built as a Linux kernel. Layer between the user program, system hardware. Gentoo provides its users several possible kernel sources. Full listing with description is available, blah blah blah. Choose an appropriate kernel source and install it using emerge. Emerge, ask, sys kernel. I'm not sure, I'm kind of scared, but yeah, let's shoot. What were you trying to download? Elf utils, BC libelf, Gentoo sources. So, since it is mirrored in Discord, I can look at the thumbnail of it because it loads the YouTube embed. So, I can still see what it is, but at the same time, it won't show the thumbnail or anything in stream. So on my second monitor, I have like the web browser and stuff pulled up, so I can look at that without having to change the main monitor and what it's doing. Which is nice. Pointing to the installed source kernel. List all installed kernels. In order to create symbolic link called Linux, use... Nice. Let's... We'll install NeoFetch later. We're getting there, though. Okay. No, we're still fetching stuff. Got another one. Your web thinger. Hey, we still got stuff to. We'll have a graphical environment sometime soon. To view fetch progress, run in another terminal this thing. Hey look, we got something! It's changed. It's unpacking it now. So does this mean we get to install Gentoo on a Nintendo 64 since kernel 5.12 was supposed to be the first kernel with official Nintendo 64 support? Too many megabytes. Yeah, it does that. Sadly. Excluding additional CPU optimizations for GCC. Wait! No! Your content? What my content? Copying sources. That's nice, nice. Prepped everything. Now, oh, did it already do it all? Test phase not enabled. Nice. No testing for me. Gonna take a while, isn't it? Oh, it did something. Oh, it's doing something. Regenerating GNU info directory index. That is bad. We need to remove that. A game of chess? My next thing just came up. Let's see, we want to select kernel list. Okay, we've only got one. Kernel that one. Take a break. But ls minus L user source Linux fuel. I'm not sure yet. Are you judging me? The most difficult as to perform, nothing is less true. After configuring a couple kernel, no one even remembers that it was difficult. However, one thing is true is that you don't know. Vital to know the system when the kernel is configured, blah blah blah, by Okay, so emerge, ask, CS apps, PCI utils. I know he's got a few people that abuse him. I think he accepts it like any other good sport, too. What kind of abuse do you take? Internet abuse? Aw, that's so sad. Here, let me cry you another river. Okay, I might be familiar with it, so yeah, let's go. Let's hear it. Go to the kernel source directory. So we go cd / user source. Oop. Yeah, I'm on it too, so make menu config. Yeah, that's the right one. Yeah, that dude. Sorry, I don't. Yeah, chat. It's I think the most delay there's been has been like a few seconds, but yeah. Yeah, Morpheus. He's been around for a bit. Yeah. Yep, I know. I'm aware of that. ID salt, kernel compression. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's just the way it is. Embedded system, ooh. Nobody else, he's the only one. Yeah, I think... Yeah, no one else really had said it that much, I don't think. Embedded systems. Highlighted includes, excludes. Okay, cool. I can navigate that way. Processor type and features. Okay, x86 CPU resource controls, Goldfish and virtual platform, Intel platform, AMD devices support. We go. Yeah, look at that. We can do this. Linux guest support, we won't do that for now. Enable maximum number of SIMP processors and NUMA nodes. timer frequency, built-in kernel command line, and vsyscall table for legacy applications emulate execution only. Management and ACAP controls, firmware drivers, Google firmware, Tegra firmware, Quemu device supports, GCC plugins, blah, 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 blah. IO schedulers, device drivers. Okay, where is NVMe support? Okay, ooh. Okay, I think just gonna. Okay, we're gonna go into Gentoo. OpenRC, run it in other script-based systems and managers. Very nice. Just one or the other. Kernel hacking. I will have to explore some of this later on, I guess. Okay, so DevTMPFS. Okay. Wait, are you talking? Which FSF are you talking about? Boomer walk in the woods. Horrible. Okay, we're gonna go back. Config. We're gonna go into device drivers. Where's USB support? LED triggers. Will USB persist by default? Dynamic OTG support? Really? USB port LED trigger? Okay. Yes, hello, I am responding again. I wonder why that would be. Why would they give him the nickname Dick? Lego infrared tower support. Wow. Yeah. Fast charge control for EOS, Siemens, ID, USB fingerprint. Yeah, I should be able to. I think I've got space for it. If I had, two people boost to the Discord server, I could add stickers as well to the server, which would be really funny. Yeah, I think we're gonna... Yeah, that's fine. Okay, we've got our stuff. Architecture and specific kernel configuration. Make and make modules install. Okay, test DM. It worked. Because my... Gosh. Wrong place. Come on. Let's get up there again. Oh, nice. Discord's always buggy. It runs on web app framework, so it's just the way it is. The system, blah blah blah. I mean, what web apps aren't poorly designed from the get-go? I mean, other than something that's straight CSS, HTML. I don't know. You can get some nice looking sites without it. Really? So, gen kernel. Yes, yes, that's what it is. Actually, even Luke has given in to like some of the JavaScript and stuff as well. You can see he's like got Blogit for blogging stuff and a couple other things as well. So, and then the payment processor, of course, processing has to use JavaScript in order to interface with Swipe. Gen kernel all. I know I'm retarded when I talk about stuff I don't know about. Although what's even more retarded is when Indians email you saying that your website is slow to load when all it is HTML. Which is really funny. They must have hit it on a bad day. Well, I mean, it's not just Linux content either, so... Yes. It's an old playlist that, like, I haven't really... Kind of. I haven't done as many of those recently in the last few months. Partially due to the fact that the IRS took half my time. And then the other part because I just haven't. So... But except for this one is, not in a forest, it's more in a hayfield. Sure. I try to keep it varied. Actually, I've got another one that a video I don't think I uploaded that one. Or did I? I might have. My goodness, that's quality. see. Can you refocus? No? Oh, look, it can do it. Can it do it again? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take a second while it does its thing. And... man, that's about as far back as it wants to go. Let me add a text thing. Where'd it go? Where's my text boy? Color source. That one. Existing. Okay, yeah, give me a second. I need to take care of nature's call. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot to mute the mic. Well, no, I didn't use GenKernel. I did it manually. Although I'm thinking of going back in and redoing it so it does use GenKernel. Okay, so what's the best, video game console? Enlighten me. Let me hide that real quick. Man, I stink. Okay, what have we got? Kernel module. Installing firmware. I'm a scared. Okay, maybe, yeah. Some drivers require additional firmware to be installed in the system before they work. This is often the case of network interfaces, especially wireless network interfaces. Modern video chips vendors, AMD, when using open source drivers, often need external firmware. Most of the firmware is packaged in blah blah blah. That's true. You never know. Come on, Colonel. I believe in you. Let me pull that off so it has space to breathe underneath. Dude. Quality. Come on. Where'd you go? Focus. Not like it matters. It's not legible. Eesh, no one can read that. Okay, I think let's flip this around. We'll bump that over there, and then we'll just. I got the capability. Bend that around over here. Oh man. Focus. My goodness. Okay, let's. Oh, there it is. Halfway. It's halfway focused. What did I do? I don't know. I didn't tell you to get that one. Must have been the Suckless devs or Plan 9. This is entertaining. Come on, buddy. Do it. I'd share gummy worms, but it's hard to share gummy worms over the internet. Well, we got all the DRM coming through. Look at that. Wow. What's your favorite TV show? I don't think I've heard of that one before. Yeah, shut off, ThinkPad. Go. Buy it. While it's doing that, I'm just gonna like wipe down with alcohol wipes. This buddy. Yeah, keep compiling, buddy. You got this. We're still in GPU DRM. Can you believe it? You kidding me? They got dirt underneath the sucker. Everywhere. Why did they abuse you like this? I'm sorry. I will love you. Hey look, we got into SCSI. An NVMe, an ATA. Installs Gentoo. Installs Postal on Gentoo. Plays Postal. Very possible. got Ethernet now. Okay. Copy the kernel image into boot together with the system map file and kernel configuration file. Okay, so yeah, once I'm done, I can make install and be done with that step. I don't know why I did it the hard way, but I did, so it'll be fine. I'll probably do it the right way next time, when I'm not streaming it. Blushes. Adding a daily driver user. Oh my goodness. Are you Willie? Yeah, let's bump that camera. Wow, I really like you. Here comes the vor. 15. That's it. No more. Arctic. Cloudflare, why? Where's my stop? You. Come here. Yes, glowing text is sussy wussy. Oh, that one waked. The fans on the laptop I'm streaming from are. The ones on the laptop I'm installing on aren't. So, I mean... Oh, that is .org. There we go. So, yeah, that... Oh my goodness. Paste bin mirrorless. Custom ISO. That's deep fried nuts, buddy. So I've been listening to Rise and Fall of the Third Reich, and it's interesting how, as leading up into the war, how many times you hear references to pulling chestnuts out of the fire. So when you talk about deep fried nuts, you know, just saying. My boy. I don't know. I don't either know. I don't know either. I just don't know. What did you hear? We go. Oh no. Who's that? That many? See? That many? Cut. That. Yeah. Makes sense. Are we almost done yet? Come on. I make things scroll and things scroll for super long. I think this has been the most text-heavy stream that I've done so far. This is so enthralling. Look at the text. Scroll. I thought we were almost there, but... Wait. Make install. Yay! Okay. Emerge. At the ask flag, because, you know, kernel Linux firmware. Oh, okay. Let's go Gen Kernel. No e-builds with the name Gen Ernal. No, I use Xorg. Gen... Dependency required by Gen Kernel, Gen Firmware. Show me more. Is this kernel Gen Kernel? I compiled the kernel. I might have to retry this a little bit another time. Gen kernel not found. So I need source code. Okay. I want to... firmware. Show me configuration, you butthole. Config init frame. UF. Enable support for blah 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 blah. Okay, so I need Linux firmware. What did I do? They glow, yeah, well. I don't know. Who was it that said that I'm a glowy too for being in the IRS for a little bit? Let's see, masky. Or was it masked packaging? So unmask, right? Merge auto. Unmask, right? Equals Gen kernel. Oh wait, no. Linux firmware 21 629. Read bootable what? Wait. Oh, yeah. Med scientist. I might be stupid, but you know what? I'll figure it out. But this was one failed attempt. Brody apparently might have gotten it on his first try. So, first tries always generally lead to second tries, and then third tries, and sometimes fourth tries. And if those don't work out, then sometimes you just keep going until they do work out. But I'm gonna need to end it there. Thanks for stopping by and rolling chat down a screen. But yeah, I will see. Well, links and stuff are down there. You can check that out. I will see everyone later.